When you think about home energy efficiency, windows and insulation usually take center stage. But there's another powerful upgrade that often gets overlooked: your entry doors. In Ferndale, homeowners are discovering that replacing outdated, drafty doors with modern energy-efficient entry doors can make a noticeable difference in both comfort and cost savings. Let's explore how these doors unlock real energy savings and why they're a smart investment for your home. The hidden energy loss at your front door. Older doors, especially wooden ones that have warped over time or models with worn-out weather stripping, can allow significant amounts of heated or cooled air to escape. Even small gaps or cracks around the frame act as pathways for energy loss. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, driving up monthly bills. By contrast, today's energy-efficient entry doors are designed with advanced insulating materials and precise sealing technology. That means less air leakage, fewer drafts, and a more stable indoor temperature. For Ferndale homeowners dealing with chilly winters and warm summers, this translates into year-round savings. Advanced materials for modern efficiency. The difference between an old-fashioned door and a modern energy-efficient entry door comes down to materials and design. Insulated cores. Many high-performing doors feature polyurethane or foam-filled cores that act as barriers to heat transfer, keeping warm air inside during winter and out during summer. Low-E glass panels. For doors with decorative glass, modern technology ensures the glass is double or triple pane and coated to reflect heat without sacrificing style. Durable weather stripping. Sealing systems have improved dramatically, closing off those tiny gaps that often go unnoticed. When combined, these innovations allow Ferndale entry doors to outperform traditional models, delivering measurable improvements in efficiency. Lower energy bills, greater comfort. The immediate benefit of upgrading your entry doors is the reduction in heating and cooling costs. With less energy escaping, your HVAC system cycles less frequently, lowering wear and extending its lifespan. Many homeowners in Ferndale report noticeable changes in comfort levels, too. Rooms near the entryway no longer feel drafty, and the overall indoor climate remains more consistent. Beyond energy. Added value for your home. Energy efficiency is only one piece of the puzzle. Choosing a modern entry door can also enhance other aspects of your home. Curb appeal. A stylish, new entry door instantly boosts the look of your home, making it more inviting and attractive to potential buyers. Security. Modern doors are built with reinforced materials and advanced locking systems, improving safety without compromising design. Durability. Unlike older doors that may swell, crack, or peel, today's entry doors are engineered to resist weather-related damage and require less maintenance. These additional benefits make the investment even more worthwhile, combining long-term savings with everyday convenience. A smart investment for Ferndale homeowners. While the upfront cost of a new entry door may seem like a big decision, the return on investment is significant. Energy savings, reduced HVAC strain, and added resale value all contribute to offsetting the initial expense. Plus, many Ferndale homeowners find peace of mind knowing they're reducing their carbon footprint while creating a more comfortable living space. Choosing the right entry door to maximize energy savings. It's important to choose a door that's specifically designed for efficiency. Look for models that carry Energy Star certification, which indicates they've been tested and proven to meet strict efficiency standards. Working with local Ferndale door specialists also ensures proper installation, which is critical. An energy-efficient door won't perform if it isn't sealed and aligned correctly. Unlock energy savings today. Your front door does more than welcome guests. It plays a crucial role in your home's comfort and energy performance. By upgrading to an energy-efficient entry door, Ferndale homeowners can unlock lower energy bills, improved comfort, and lasting value. It's a small change with a big impact, proving that true efficiency starts right at your doorstep.